Boy, look at all that new lumber coming in here. It comes in this stick form though. You got to get the lumber out of it. Well, thanks to my buddy John, he's done it again, boy. He brought us in some real nice pine. We got a lot of 2x6s to cut for some upcoming projects here on the farm. Now, a couple of them got a lightning strike, got a little damage in them. But once we get that cut away, we'll still make some nice lumber out of it. I've been documenting how much everybody's wanting poplar now that I've built that one little chicken pen out of it. Just people falling in love with this poplar lumber. So he wants some as well. So he was kind enough to bring us some decent little poplar logs. Although, I don't know if you can see it on this camera, but boy, look at the bend in that. That's one of them trees designed for building around corners. Let me show you what it got over here. Boy, that's that walnut. Woo, look at that walnut.